guys, Wyf CaityB back and uploading with yet another reaction video of Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're gonna be reacting to MAZ Save Me a C. So please go subscribe to the bro MAZ space 4am on YouTube. Just get our subscribers up as well.
Yeah, PolyMovement, please fams.
Yeah, please fams, if you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, thank you for stopping by, appreciate it heaps. And if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when I upload videos. Thank you for helping me to get over 67k as well, fams.
Thank you fams.
It's overwhelming, the support, honestly, yeah, and I appreciate it heaps. Especially since we've been off YouTube for a while, so just the fact that people are still subscribing and being loyal, I appreciate it heaps, fam.
Thank you.
And welcome to all the new ones.
Also, if you don't really know, we support poly businesses. So if you got a business and you just need some free promo, and you need some free promo, just hit us up on Wyf CaityB on Instagram, DM, and we'll help you out.
Yeah. This is some of the poly businesses that we'll be representing. So we wear a lot more of our poly businesses as well, but because these guys are from Brisbane, we're supporting Elche from Brisbane, and we have here
Fatu from Brisbane. We'll have the links down below on their social media accounts that you can follow and hit them up for merch.
Yeah. And they also have different colours for this.
Please support our poly businesses, please. PolyMovement.
Yep. And let's get to the track. Come on, MAZ Shorts, what's good? Oh no. Hey, this beat, dun, dun, dun. I think it's an island song. Is it Alofa?
Alofa. Via Kio. Alofa.
It's Alofa. Like Samoa?
No, you come to Australia and it's
Alofa. Damn, it's gonna be a sad one, eh? I can feel it in my bones. It's kilunga de mer. It's got the smoke.
Reverent.
Smoke it down for all my brothers who ain't made it up.
Sounds like he's from America.
Reminds you of someone, I can't.
Yeah, CaityB. No, not CaityB. Someone.
Poke it down for all my brothers who ain't made it up. I so many to the cold, feel I let them down. I just wish they buckled up and took another route. It was heavy back then and it's still cold. I watch your back when you get caught inside the field, dog. Say they find deep inside, it's a kill.
Sorry, gotta go back.
Man, it's hitting the
At least we know what the tune's like.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really nice.
Damn, I feel myself as great.
I feel like it's gonna be...
What a good beat and instrumental acoustic to pick.
I got goosebumps. I feel like it's gonna be something we love.
So far he's talking about some brothers.
Roll it up, smoke it down for all my brothers who ain't made it up. I so many to the cold, feel I let them down. I just wish they buckled up and took another route. It was heavy back then and it's still cold. I watch your back when you get caught inside the field, dog. Say they find deep inside, it's a kill zone. Hard to fight, no wonder why my people still fall. Gotta hit the brakes on it. Life's a struggle every day on it. You take a loss and hit the bank on it. See all the blessings you can make for me when you take from me. Hit the bottom of the bottom and I came back. Hit my problems with these bottles and I trained that. Watch my mama lose her father, brought the pain back. So my mama hit the bottom, had to change that. I'd be lying if I said I didn't cry sometimes. It's hard for me to try sometimes. I admit that I ain't fine sometimes. It gets hard to stay alive sometimes. But I need to learn through the hard days. God knows I'm heartaches. That'll shine through the dark days. For the ones I done lost on the way, I hope you save me a seat with you in heaven. Soon I'ma see you again. Oh, save me a seat with you in heaven. Right next to you, I'm alive. I'm sick of hearing shit that make my stomach turn and fucking hurts. Another brother took his life, I swear there's nothing worse. All we hear to hear him speak 'cause ain't nobody heard. Maybe they was trying to reach, but ain't nobody care. Fuck is we doing? I'm about to purge.
So he's talking about suicide. Damn.
I gotta get moving and take the curse on them. My brothers are dying just to be alright. Maybe the silence on them could speak 1,000 words. Get the bottles and I pour it up, pour it up. Here's a toast to all my brothers who no longer with us. I wish I could turn back time and fight the pain with them. Know somebody needs somebody just to show them different. Think back to the times when my grandmama would lay with us. Me and my brother sleeping, she would come and pray for us. When we would struggle, she would come and take away from us. Couldn't believe it when I heard she got away from us. Never seen my dad cry so many tears. It still hurts after all these years. Pain still here after all these beers. Getting my feelings all the time. I'd be lying if I said I didn't cry sometimes. It's hard for me to try sometimes. I admit that I ain't fine sometimes. It gets hard to stay alive sometimes. But I live to learn through the hard days. God knows I'm all.
You're getting me.
I'll shine through the dark days. For the ones I done lost on the way, I hope you save me a seat.
I love this.
With you in heaven, soon I will see you again. Oh, save me a seat. With you in heaven, right next to you, I'm alive. Yeah, let's go.
Oh.
Yeah. That's my shit. We said.
Tommy.
Picture listening to this in a song just driving and just being sad. I'll probably gungy while driving and can't drive though. Damn, deep in my soul. Damn, I need to take some time out. I'm sad.
We just had time out. You know?
I need another time out. Damn.
Oh wow.
This sort of gives me the same feeling that the song Grateful
Yeah.
gives me, like just, yeah.
And also
Yeah.
it gives you that feeling.
Feel.
And
I don't think I've heard of MAZ before. And so far this is the first track we've heard and I love it. I love it already.
I love it.
And I love that the clip was very simple.
He's got that cheeky vibe.
Yeah, I
That
feel like
being
he's...
The first song and boom. Nice.
The fact that he was talking about his mum, I think he was talking about his mum losing a parent, and he was talking about his dad losing a parent. He's never seen a parents that emotional before, and then just talking about brothers who've lost their lives. Sometimes the signs are there, eh? But we just choose to ignore it,
or just. But then sometimes you think, like if we go through struggles like that, and we wonder why people ain't reaching out. Because they're probably going through something of their own.
Yeah, so you can't really help
like
someone
that,
if you're in that situation yourself, because you're just taking on, you know, more toll and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, that's how I feel. Like when I'm down and out,
More weight.
like I can't help people like as much as I want to. Like it just makes me more sad. Like you know what I mean?
What a nice touch. What a nice.
Yeah, and then the beat he chose, I'm still trying to figure out the damn beat. Yeah, and I know a lot of people use that same tune when they do covers and stuff like that. It's making me mad. Yeah, so guessing with like how a lot of the boys in Brisbane are pretty close, I feel like they might be talking about the same brothers, especially with all of them coming up with a lot of songs about
because suicide
with the brothers.
Yeah, suicide is a big thing.
Big thing, yeah.
It's been happening for a long time. It is a big thing, big issue with us polys. Big.
Like I didn't think it was that big until we started learning about it in like early high school or like intermediate. Damn, this song just hit the fatu way. I really loved it. I loved the beat you picked, and then when the bass kicked in, bruh.
Is that auto-tune?
Yeah, it sounded like some sort of auto-tune or something.
Not
I don't
quite.
know what it was. Yeah, but he switched it up quite a lot, especially the last bit where the beat stopped and he said something and then it kicked back in. I just feel like
he said your uncle's things. Now honestly, I loved it. I loved where he was going at with the lyrics. I loved the visuals. I loved how the visuals were smoky, hazy, but
it's just chill. Like it's not too much.
It's like you were focused on him, but
like,
it wasn't distracting to the eye. wasn't distracting enough for you to not be able to hear the lyrics. It's really nice. It set that mood like you're going towards that light thing, kind of thing. I think that's what they were going aiming for, like heaven.
This is what I'm into. This is the kind of music I'm into, and I'm keen to see what other music you drop, bro. Like, yeah.
Oh, I love relatable music. I love relatable issues, poly issues that we all share and we all understand, because we as polys understand one another. That's why we love this poly movement, because we all understand one another.
I give it a 10.
I give it a 10.
Man, my foot hurts right now.
Give it another 10.
But yeah, fams, other than that, please go check out the bro's channel. Please subscribe, check out the song, and run it up to a K. It's almost at a K, so
Run up 10k.
yeah, 10k. Come on, guys, let's go.
You can do it. You've proven it before, you guys. Loyal to our poly artists and poly businesses.
100%. And also, please, our poly businesses, fam, get your merch.
Good material.
Yeah.
I swear by it. I have washed this. And washed
I've
that.
watched. Yeah, we've watched.
And also chucked it in the dryer. So look how good it is. It's still good.
Feels like it doesn't stretch too. But yeah, other than that, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye, fam.